What's going on, you beautiful people? Welcome to another video. I'm here in Sydney for the fireworks. Actually, I'm back home, but yeah, anyway, that's a story for another day. We're gonna go see the fireworks. We got a boat party lined up as well. We're actually doing a videography for the boat party. My boy Johnny organizing this boat party every year. It's gonna be sick. So let's just have a crazy night and yeah, let's go. This is insane. People are just basically going crazy for nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's insane! We're right here and hopefully we can get some fucking views, but I don't think so, hey? We're too late. This is it. That's what happens when you give away a beautiful spot to everyone, and check it out.
Should we?
So I guess we're just gonna go back to that other old spot where we are. That was a better spot, let's do it. Alright, that's it. So, Happy New Year 2020. We're gonna go down to the boat party right now and watch the first sunrise of the year. Let's do it. This is crazy. There's shitloads of people everywhere now, and we're gonna actually get on the other side of the bridge. So, yeah, let's go on the train and get to the other side. There's a few people here trying to get on the train. Just a few people. Yo, what's going on? We're at the boat party. Let's just show you the final edit of what this party looks like. And yeah, Happy New Year. Let's just watch the video and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.